The first hour of your day is either making you rich or keeping you broke. And most people have no idea they're self-sabotaging before breakfast. Here are 5 morning habits that completely changed my financial life. Every single morning before I touch my phone, I spend 2 minutes reading my written financial goals. This isn't woo-woo nonsense, it's neuroscience. Your brain starts filtering opportunities that match what you focus on first. Instead of doom scrolling Instagram, I open my investment apps first, not to panic trade, just to stay connected to my money. When your portfolio is the first thing you see, spending recklessly that afternoon feels a lot harder. I write down every dollar I spent yesterday and how it made me feel. 10 minutes, that's it. This one habit killed my impulse spending because you can't hide from your own handwriting. Awareness is the first step to wealth. Every morning I learn just one new financial concept. 1. Compound interest, dollar cost averaging, index funds, whatever it is. After 1 year, that's 365 concepts. You'll know more than 90% of people managing their own money. I list 3 things I already own that I'm grateful for. Sounds simple, right? But gratitude rewires your brain from scarcity to abundance. When you feel rich with what you have, you stop buying things you don't need to impress people you don't like. None of these habits take more than 15 minutes, but stacked together, they completely rewired how I think about money. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built in the first hour of every day. If even one of these habits hit different, smash that like button and subscribe to Wealth Decoders. Drop a comment telling me which habit you are starting tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Let's build that wealth together.